Here's how to fix Valorant stuck on the loading screen quickly. Step 1. Close Valorant and Riot client completely. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, find Valorant, Riot Client, and Riot Client Services. Select each one and click End Task. This ensures the game is fully closed and not frozen in the background. Step 2. Restart Riot Vanguard service. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. In the Services window, scroll down and locate VGC. Right-click VGC and select Restart. If it is not running, click Start instead. Riot Vanguard is required for Valorant to load past the startup screen. Step 3. Launch Riot Client as administrator. Close the Services window, right-click Riot Client on your desktop or Start menu, and select Run as Administrator. Once the Riot Client opens, launch Valorant and wait for it to load normally. After restarting Vanguard and launching Riot Client correctly, Valorant should move past the loading screen. Subscribe for more professional Valorant fixes and PC guides.